finding where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant given the graph. Okay? Use the graph to determine the behavior of the function between the indicated points. Right? So increasing means the function values are going up. Decreasing would be function values that are going down, or the graph is going down. And constant would be where it's flat. It's not changing at all. It's not increasing or decreasing. It's just, right, remaining flat. Now, the only trick to this really is just remembering that you always look at the graph going from left to right. So we need to start over here, right? So if we start here at this side of the graph and move this way, right, this part of the graph is going down. So from A to B, we would be decreasing. Okay? And then from B to C, we're not changing at all. It's not going up or down. So that's constant. Then from C to D, from here to there, because we have to start here, going left to right, we're going up or increasing. And then from D to E, again, starting with D, going left to right, we're going down or decreasing.